Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Hadin da ki kanta ba ka Voice People Party kala pelong ye gajing yakhi bansham klan mungor hakmat ka secretarial asya khangno hagibor penya district ka East Castle district. Nagaliam usambut Menteri Rangba ka Jelau ba Preston Tensong ula dumok ye ka Seng VPP na marba ka hikai upat ba banyaki. Uba Preston Tensong bat ki officer bala Shongthan ki bala Syaweng na kakam na loka yukta ki de ki badan jingya de bat kinong yalam kalyang pyrshah Voice of the People Party VPP. Balay ba ki MLA ka VPP haban mi siya surong bat keren ya ki A. Ngila yoi ka shithi ba ki pha ngila de puli baro bat ngila de ru ban pensyai ba kini ki rule ula ong bat penra. Ka Sorkar kamdan jing bakla hangno ru bat karai bala shim na ka Sorkar ban wanra ya ki officer ki brang don ha ka jing shakri ha kini hilai teli ki kam. Bar ka Sorkar kam khot ya ka VPP ban ya kran satya lada kwa ban ya kran aikin wan hi yathu uba Preston Tensong. Nalor kani usambut Menteri Rangba ulayai ban ba ka Sorkar ka haban ya kat kum ka ag bar ka rule jong ka loka yukta ka bakran shai bari ki officer badang don ha ka jing shakri ki bahap thung hapo ka loka yukta.
What? No, about press you.
No, he told us to meet you.
No, about what? Very simple, straightforward. Let me just tell you one thing. Now we are being guided by the acts and the rules. Those days, see, because we really wanted to make sure that Lokayokta is in place, start functioning, in spite of the fact of huge shortage of officers that we have. Ultimately, we managed somehow to again reappoint those retired officials. So, Lokayukta started functioning and it is functioning till now also. But let me just tell you one thing. The rules and the act says very clearly, it should be the serving officers. The post should be appointed, none other than the serving officers. So accordingly, we did that. But I saw the demand number one of BPP is that on the street. I would like to ask from them, on what basis? Real estate for what? On what basis? Because now we already have a full-fledged serving officers in all these three posts. We already fill it up. And they were only on contractual basis. So, for what? I really don't understand. Why do they have to, go to the street and say all this? We have seen the letters sent by them. We have studied it, everything. And then we have already clarified also. That is like this, these are the rules, blah, blah, blah. So we have done it. So I don't see anything wrong at all with the decision taken by the government to bring in serving officers to this important post.
Sir,
To karus pa ka ong mo.
Tiong ba? Katkum ka
Nga ong yung
Ligat lang opat ba? Hindi ba tamkin?
Retired, kaya gijinya kaya. Retired and serving is what? Kaya ka different. But kaya ka responsibility. Jong ki retired bat ki serving. Subo man tangi ki retired. Kamtam kini ki post kini ki walang very important. Makin function. Te subo don kanur kanu. Kaba ke complication. Kikino ba ngilala ngin donate. Lada ba klaro dedi? Kabala address kalau Sorkar kan sisu. Put no. And the saving officers, we can't do that. Number belayu, ke procedures kadot, kumno banle, kumno bantre, bapinbut, ya ka rule ka ay, tik pa tik, ban le baklam long, naman nga kumo pinbut sin, andala siyong tay, lalong bit, hindi kumki full-fledged employees. The full-fledged employees plus who take responsibility. Kajongki. Then number 2, point number 2. Habang ay ki saving officers, ni save ro. Kajakabi ngin ay aki de salary, ni ay aki TADA, sitting fees, tangkatalabyak. Hindi ba ay aki daga tulok? Te hangtarong ang pikala man to sibun. Today, he dengan tahu pingi dalam syong bah nila sanilut na doksodong. Then on that basis, bah ngisa thum daki saving officers. Haki tu kipos, but gitu kipos, yiki bagi thum mentarok lewat. Yo piong bagi violate ya ka rules dan ka na katu kapos ka ba ngaong pikabila thum mentakita lain.
Kadang kajing puno saya lo dari kajing.
Yo yuro, ulok yuk taruh. Atau ulok yang tahu dua, balai tak kita lain mode. You see, come wrong eh. Namar kini ni kita ki employees ki ba ha lokal ta.
So how do
Kut kalong tali. It seems those terminated officials, they are related to maybe to those people. That's it. If they want to talk, we are ready. But why should we call? We have already explained everything.
Sure, makin ni jenis syasura.
Tak kata mesti deh. Kalau orang bah habis apa, we nak kata, tak kata apa.